With the growing need for smarter home security, this video doorbell camera wireless with AI detection and night vision stands out as a reliable upgrade for any front door setup. It combines convenience with intelligent monitoring, allowing users to keep an eye on their entrance from anywhere through a mobile connection. The wireless design makes installation straightforward without the hassle of complex wiring, making it suitable for apartments, houses, and rental spaces alike. One of the strongest highlights is the AI-powered motion detection, which helps reduce unnecessary alerts by distinguishing between human activity and general movement. This makes notifications more meaningful and less distracting, especially during busy hours or nighttime monitoring. The night vision capability ensures clear visibility even in low light or complete darkness, giving homeowners peace of mind around the clock. The camera delivers a stable live view that helps users respond quickly to visitors or unexpected activity. Whether you're at work, traveling, or simply in another room, the real-time access keeps you connected to your front door at all times. The two-way communication feature also allows direct interaction with visitors, delivery personnel, or guests without needing to open the door physically, adding an extra layer of safety and convenience. In daily use, this doorbell camera proves to be practical and user-friendly. The app interface is designed for quick navigation, making it easy to check recordings, live feeds, and alerts without confusion. It is also built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring consistent performance in different weather environments. Overall, this wireless video doorbell with AI detection and night vision is a strong choice for anyone looking to improve home security without complicated setup or high maintenance. It brings together smart features, dependable performance, and modern convenience in one compact device.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.